Hello everyone, in NSCaster, you can record in two formats or more simultaneously. First, go to the output and click the gear button. In this tutorial, I'll be recording in AVI and MP4 format together. After that, go to the setting. Select the directory you want to save for AVI and also the encoder. Once you're done, click OK. For MP4, also set the directory and also the encoder. After that, click OK. When you complete both settings, click the record button to start record. When it is successful, the icon will change to red. You can check the recording status by clicking the status button. For the AVI, and also the MP4. To stop recording, click again the record button. Let's go to the directory we saved just now to check. So as you can see, we have two recorded files. One is AVI and another one is MP4 format. Both files are named in the default format, date and time. That's it. Thanks for watching and hope you guys enjoyed the video.